Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to add signature in Outlook. It's very simple process. You can do this process and add your signature. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply I open here my Outlook in Google Chrome, and here look at this here. Gear options are available here as a setting. You just simply click here, right hand side, scroll down here, view all Outlook setting. I just simply click here, view all Outlook setting, and here general, email, calendar and people options are available. You just simply click here email, and email point of view here, compose and reply. You just simply click here, compose and reply, and look at this here, create and edit your signature. So simply click here, new signature, and you want put it here any kind of words like a Research Rocks, and here you can put it whatever you want as like a Sangram Singh, and just simply if you want add some picture, so you can click here in the picture and you can add some of the logo also here. Just I simply put it here as a demo point of view. Reduce the size also of this particular logo, increase or decrease the size whatever you want, specific, no signature, reply all, yes, and just simply save. Now the signature is saved. I close here. Now we'll see the signature is come or not. Simply compose, new mail, and here signature is not come, but I just simply click here three dots, insert the signature, and my signature is available here. Using this tips and tricks, you can add your signature and call if you want call someone the particular signature or not. You can add multiple signature also, and which signature you want comfortable for the specific person, you can send as it is. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.